Today's video I will show you how to change Instagram password. In this way is very easy, so follow me step by step, don't skip video. So let's get started now. First tap on Instagram application and open it. Then tap on profile icon and tap on three dot line menu bar at the top right corner. Then tap on settings option. Now tap on security option. Then tap on password option. First you have to type your current password. Then type new password and re-enter same new password one more time. Typing my login current password, typing new password on new password field. Type the same password on re-enter new password field. Then tap on done at the top right corner. That's it. In this way you can easily change Instagram password.